Yo, what is up, guys? I know it has been a long 6 months, I believe. I'm sorry, and I don't know what happened. I'm not gonna explain anything because I absolutely know what happened. But today is an awesome, special day. I'm gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna surprise you. So let's get to it. Alright, guys, I'm at the local shop called KR Motorsports. And my car right now is gonna put in on a lovely dyno. Yes, a dyno. I want to see what I'm making at base wheels before I start adding anything to my car. That way I can get a rough general idea of what I'm putting into my car and what I'm making after. But yeah, this is awesome. I'm so stoked. So a dyno run guy, Steven, he's done 2 runs. I don't know if I'm holding this right. So, but he's only done 2 runs so far. The first run was basically 205 horsepower with basically 250 pounds of torque. And then on the second run, you can see that it jumped to 222 HP to 265 torque. That's a pretty good jump between the first run and the second run, so I'm pretty stoked to see what the third run is gonna look like. Can't wait. Alright, yo, what's up, guys? I'm back at my house. I'm done with the dyno and everything. So on the dyno, I average 220, 222 with 265 feet-pounds of torque. Not bad for a bone stock SUV. But today is another awesome special day because I am doing my first box opening for the WRX. Got my boy Pat. Let's go check out what we got. I've been stoked. Been waiting for this for a while, and I finally got it. And I got a Carven single exit exhaust. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what the whole thing looks like. I'd say pretty good packaging. Looks like it has the big guy first. Ooh. Yo, this thing is clean.
Thing is clean.
Bruh, look at that tip. Look inside. That's beautiful. I don't know if you can see that, but that's beautiful. So this is our flex pipe. Boom. Got the S pipe that goes down towards the end. I believe that's where it goes. We'll figure it out once we put it on. Down here. Oh snap. Oh bro. I gotta hang this. I gotta find a spot to hang this.
For your room.
Yeah. So he hooked me up with a huge banner. Like my arm's not long enough to open this thing up. Full thing says Carven exhaust. Dude, this is that's a pretty cool thing. This is awesome.
That's awesome.
I wasn't expecting this. Roll this back up. So I got two of these. I got a Carven exhaust sticker. Gonna be putting that on a car, definitely. I got two jet tags, red and black. I'm digging that red though, dude. This red one.
Nice.
That red one is pretty clean, I gotta say. I got those. Oh, it looks like I got another jet tag. All right, awesome. Pretty sure I got another black one in here somewhere. Got another Carven sticker. And got the hardware right here. Got the gasket, got the bolts, got the clamps. Oh man, this is cool. Oh man, I'm ready to start this, bro. I'm ready to start this. So shout out to Ryan over at Carven Exhaust, the guy. You really hooked me up with this. I'm stoked. I can't wait to get this on. You ready, P?
Oh yeah, most definitely. We're gonna get it.
Let's get to it, man. All right, guys. So we got the car jacked. We sprayed it. That's English. That's English for you. Sprayed it. We sprayed the bolts with some WD-40 to help us break them, because a lot of cars have a hard issue breaking bolts because they be over torqued or they rust to the to I guess the pipes and everything else. So we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes. See the little WD-40 right over there. I got Big Daddy over there. I got the S pipe, then I got the flex pipe right here just chilling. We're gonna let him sit for a couple of minutes and then we're gonna get into work breaking these bolts. Let's go. So this video is not a step-by-step video. There's plenty of videos out there that do step-by-steps on installing a catback exhaust system, whether it be a single exit, a dual exit, or a quad tip. They're all the same steps. If you want to watch a step-by-step install video for the Carven exhaust, just look up WRX Carven exhaust system on YouTube. Those guys have a phenomenal step-by-step install video for this exhaust. The guy Ryan, he goes through every single little detail on how to put this exhaust on properly. Dude, that video is far superior than what I'll be able to do. Just a tip for you guys. Gosh, man, look at these. These are like unnecessary, man, for like no reason for them to be that big. No reason. That's so much restriction right there. And then on top of that, like, look how small that is. Terrible for such a performance. For such a performance car, it does have like a whole lot of restrictions done to it. All right, guys. So we just finished putting it on, bro. It looks so good. Love the single exit look.
I like how it's pointed.
Yeah, how it's kind of has like an angled tip to it. All right, so here is going to be the first startup for it. How you guys can hear it over the regular GoPro mic, but this thing has like an aggressive deep tone to it. Like, I want to say this is a cold start. It's a coldish start. It's not loud, but it does have a really good deep rumble to it. Oh, and it just idled out, and you can hear the turbo whine out through it. Oh, love it. I love it. You like it?
Oh, I love it.
I love it. All right, guys, exhaust is on. I'm about to lower the car down so we can go get some sound shots somewhere, you know, out in Mexico. But almost forgot, there's one thing that always goes with a Subi, and that's an access port. I'm gonna go ahead and install this real quick. I'm not gonna do a step-by-step with this one either, because you go to Cobb Tuning on their site, or even on YouTube, there's plenty of videos that show you how to do a step-by-step to installing this. It's really easy. Now, with the exhaust, I'm gonna go back to that real quick. I didn't do a sound comparison of a before and an after. No reason to do that, because again, there's already a lot of videos out there that show the differences between what a stock 2015 plus WRX sounds like. We all know what it sounds like. We don't need another video of that. We just need another video of the single exit Carven exhaust on how it sounds on an FA20 DIT WRX. Yes, amazing. So I'm gonna install this bad boy real quick. That's the end of the video. I got my access port put in. Later today I'm gonna adjust to how I want my gauges set up and all that. But awesome video, awesome day. I'm stoked about this. Again, shout out to Ryan over at Carven's Exhaust. Dude, you absolutely hooked me up with this exhaust, dude. I can't thank you enough. Keep doing what you're doing, man. And you guys, I'm sorry that it took so long to make a video. I don't have anything going right now, no content or anything like that, especially with the whole COVID-19 coronavirus going on and everything shut down right now. So there's not a lot going on. But when everything does open back up, my plan is every Saturday or every other Saturday, go down to Austin or even San Antonio and hit up those car meets and show you what Texas got for you guys. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I appreciate everybody's support. Thank you.